Hello guys, this is Mahin Arafat welcoming you to the channel. Today I've got a mobile game trigger specially used for the Pubg, and this is Baseus red dot. So I've got the best mobile trigger in the market, and that's this one, the Baseus red dot mobile game scoring tool. So let's see what's inside. So we have got a beautiful box, and inside that box we are getting these two trigger. Oh, that's so beautiful. Red dots in the black. So this is basically from the Baseus who have manufactured this trigger, and specially these have been used for playing Pubg. So the color of this trigger is black, and also it's available in the transparent color. You can see it's written in here. So let me show you a quick settings for this trigger in the game. So I have opened the Pubg game. Let me show you a real quick how to install this trigger in this game. At first go to the settings, and then go to the controls button, and then customize, and then move this fire button up above here, and the scope. If you use this scope, make it a bit bigger and take this one here. Okay, that's all. Now I'm installing these triggers in this area. I first push it a bit down, then push it a bit down, then push a bit harder on the phone. I can't. Hold on. Yeah, it's been set now. Okay. It's been set in the scope, and let me install the another one. Push a bit. Okay. Now you can see that the two triggers are set. Let me show you a quick game with these triggers. So let's go to the game. Okay, I'm showing you after getting into the game. If you're seeing that I'm firing with this. Okay, so it's a super speedy game. Let's go to kill another enemy up there. Okay, this button is been set for the scope, so let me open the scope for you. And this button had been set for the fire. Okay, like this. Okay, let's reloading. Like this. It's been scoped, and I do not have any scope right now, so I can't show you that, but it can be a bit zoom with this button, like this, and you can shoot with this button. like this. Like this. There's no enemy right now, so I can't show you that. Okay? And these 2 fingers can be moved easily, just not like before. So I can use now the 4 fingers for playing the game, which is a lot more easier and more convenient. So that's all for now. I'm Muhammad Mahin Sharif, signing off from my channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for the latest upcoming videos. Goodbye.